Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video I will show you how you can earn some extra income by doing small tasks. So if you are new to this channel, then please consider subscribing. Now without further delays, let's get into it. I will put a link in the description. You have to click on that link and you will be directed to this website. Okay, so here you can see you can work and earn or offer a micro job. So you can also check their website. This is the interface of the website. So first of all, you have to register an account on this website. So we will just click on this register, and here we will quickly put our details. In the second step, Microworkers will send an email to your email address. So you have to open that email and click on that link so that you may verify your account. So I will go to my email address, and here I will just refresh this page. So congratulations, your account is created and you have got two options. Like if you are an employer and you want to create a campaign, then you have to select first option, as we are here to earn some extra money. So I will click on this list available jobs. So these are all the available jobs, and here you can see I have got 32 jobs available, and this is the detail of my account. And I have not selected any filter. So if I select this filter, and here you can see that this is the most paying campaign, and I have to go to a Facebook ad and I have to put my feedback there, and after that I can just screenshot so that I may prove that I have completed that task, and I am getting 50 cents for that task. I want to show you how you can withdraw your amount. So you have to go to this withdraw, and here you have to attach an account here. So you have to click on this place a new withdrawal request, and you can connect any of these accounts. So you can connect PayPal, Skrill, Pioneer or ATM. With Skrill, PayPal and ATM, the minimum withdrawal is $5, but for Pioneer the minimum withdrawal is $20. And here you can also note that the processing fee for Pioneer is less, but for other accounts here you can see the processing fee is 7.50% and here 8%, and for Skrill 6.50%. So it's up to you which account you wanna use.